Hi there, my dear friends. For those who haven't met me yet, I'm Ray Maor, and let me tell you, I've been on one wild and mind-blowing adventure for over a decade now, diving deep into the wondrous realm of extreme spirituality and Breatharianism. And today, I want to share with you how I became famous for it. Picture this, I won a whopping $100,000 and ended up on national TV, all in the name of showing the world how the human body transforms during a Breatharian initiation. It's crazy, right? I also couldn't believe it when it actually happened. Then again, why not? The world needs to know, and normal people need to open their mind for the unlimited possibilities. And as long as the system exists, we need to use its infrastructure to invade with teachings of consciousness. A few years back, I found myself in the middle of a scientific experiment, and boy, did they make it hard for me as much as they could. The Israeli television covered every single detail of this audacious challenge. They locked me up in a house for 8 days with no food, no water, nada. By the way, you can find the whole two-part show on my website raymaor.com, and I'm also going to put a link in the description here as well. Now, this wasn't a reality show, no. I was under the watchful gaze of not one, not two, but 9 cameras monitoring my every move like a hawk stalking its prey. They even made me take blood tests every evening like I'm a lab animal. Plus, I got my own MD that took my blood and tested me almost every day. My tracking physician started the show proclaiming I'd be a dried-up raisin and get carted away in an ambulance in just a few days. He said that my blood work will change in measurable ways. He mentioned that there will be a significant difference in electrolyte counts, density of my red blood cells, and many other factors. I did try to keep a poker face and not let my ego, that always wants to be right, to come up to the surface and argue. I knew that other Breatharians like Jazz Mohin failed their test, but I had a deep knowing that's not going to happen. I was practicing Breatharianism for a very long time and was aware of my own capabilities. During the experiment, day by day, they grilled me with interviews and tried to trip me for drama. But guess what? I held my ground, sticking true to my beliefs and my lifestyle. I spent my time creating art, meditating, reading, and practicing Breatharian techniques. I'm not saying it was easy, it was challenging, especially due to the seclusion and the harassment from the team. Oh, and the TV drama, they couldn't get enough of it. It was a battle between my spiritual views and the doctor's medical opinions. The tension was thick between us. Here's where it got seriously entertaining. By day 4, they were all scratching their heads. To their surprise, my blood tests were completely normal. The only sign of my dry fasting was my dry tongue. Oh, and there was one time that I actually almost fainted after a blood test. Drama at its finest, because I've always had issues when someone takes my blood. It's a phobia from needles. The grand finale, I was declared the victorious champion of the experiment, leaving the doctor utterly speechless and without the ability to explain how and why. It was then that I was declared victor by the show and won $100,000. But here's the real kicker, my friends. I tried my darnest to explain to them how the Breatharian initiation has changed my body, but they brushed me off as some mystical unicorn. Little did they know that we can connect with the incredible power of our subconscious mind and manifest incredible transformations and control over our body. You see, Breatharianism isn't about going hungry or missing out on life's yummiest delicacies. No, it's all about mastering the art of detachment from food to create a balanced mind-body-spirit connection. We want food to stop controlling us and our emotions, so we take back the reins of control. Do people who learn this eat less? Of course you do. Most people will reduce over 2/3 of what they used to eat. It's true that some people stop almost entirely, but that's not the point, and it's their individual choice. The point is freedom, clarity, energy, and mastering control. So as I enjoy the memory of that wild TV adventure, I invite you to join me on the journey of a lifetime. Conquer the mind and unleash the potential that lies within you. Stop standing in the way of your inner guidance and follow your intuition. The easiest way for you to start is to start fasting. Good luck, my friends, and namaste.